There was a guy who used to come to my talks on the Gita, and this guy just started coming like a young man, 22, 23 years old. He was like a tag-on, non-stop मेरे पीछे पीछे पीछे. You know, everything I'm answering somebody's question, he'll sit there. So embarrassing. Somebody else is asking, but he'll come and sit there. He had all his questions. He had all of this stuff. He would bring me some perfume, bring me some sweets, bring me some this, bring me some that. Several weeks he kept coming. And then in one of my talks, I said, I have some pain in my temples. And then he writes to me, saying, I have a very special homeopathic doctor. I want you to come to see that doctor. मैं बोला यार 4-5 हफ्ते से जा रहा हूँ, 2 बॉटल परफ्यूम ऑलरेडी गिफ्ट, 4 हफ्ते में कौन करता है ऐसा, you know? मैं पीछे पड़ गया. And sometimes when people kind of enter too much into your space, it becomes toxic. How many of you realize that? When people enter too much into your physical, emotional space, it's just toxic. Why? Give me space, man. Get lost. मुझे शांति चाहिए, तुम जाओ. It's too toxic, right? And he's following up constantly, messaging again and again and saying, can we go to that doctor? Can we go to that doctor? How many of you have done something to just पीछा छुड़ाओ? कर दो भाई, ये छोड़ दो इसका पीछा छुड़, कर ले तू जा. I said, okay, let me go to that doctor. I went to the homeopathic doctor. And you know how homeopathic doctors can be. I said, what do you see in your dream? मैं बोला, मैडम मैं आपको क्यों बताऊं मेरे सपने में कौन. I never understood the correlation of dreams and my health. But it's a science and it works. It's a science. I'm not speaking in a condescending way, but it's weird to me. मतलब सपने में आपके कौन आता है? मैं गाना गाऊं, मेरे सपनों की रानी कब. What do you see in your dreams, right? It was hilarious. She's asking me questions like, what do you see in your dream? What are your fears? Do you have any childhood traumas? ऐसा सब कुछ पूछ रही है. मैडम मैं ठीक हूँ, आपको मेरा प्रॉब्लम बताऊं क्या है? ये प्रॉब्लम है, तो दवाई है तो दे दीजिए. Of course, with homeopathy you need history. Like any medical problem, you need history. Homeopathy has a certain way of taking history, so they were writing history. Then after the whole thing was done, he said, you know something? This guy who recommended you to come to me, said, I've known him for years now. Said when he was 2 years old, his mother died. His mother died. His father remarried, and the stepmother gave him such a hard time that he had to leave home and stay by himself. And in that situation, he came to this class that I was doing. You know what? He was not looking for an answer. He was looking for love. He was not wanting to take me to a doctor. He was just wanting to express and feel that love. He was not giving me a perfume. He was trying to make a relationship of love. आपको एक बात बताऊं? अंधेरे में ना सामने वाले की नीड क्या है दिखती नहीं है. हम सबको लोगों का बिहेवियर दिखता है, उनकी नीड नहीं.